The role of MongoDB in AI and machine learning projects in the age of AI and ML. Data management is vital for success. AI and ML rely on vast, varied, and changing data to train models, make predictions, and decide. This has created a need for databases. They must handle complex data with flexibility and scalability. MongoDB, a NoSQL database, is popular in AI and ML. It can store unstructured data, manage large datasets, and support fast analytics. Flexible data models and unstructured data management. MongoDB's main edge in AI and ML is its ability to handle unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB uses a document-based model, unlike traditional relational databases. They require a strict schema. MongoDB's model allows it to store data in a flexible, JSON-like format. It is ideal for storing data, like text, images, videos, and sensor data. Scalability and performance in handling big data. Scalability is crucial in AI and ML projects. They process vast amounts of data to train and evaluate models. MongoDB's sharding allows for horizontal scalability. As data grows, the database can scale. Seamless integration with AI and ML ecosystems. Integration with data pipelines. MongoDB can connect to data pipelines using tools like Apache Kafka, Spark, and Hadoop. These are often used in AI and ML workflows. MongoDB Atlas. It is a fully managed database for cloud-based AI and ML projects. It has automated backups, scaling, and monitoring. This lets teams build models without worrying about database management. Efficient handling of large-scale model training data. MongoDB's document-based structure is optimized for fast, efficient storage of large datasets. This is important for training AI models that rely on large datasets, such as deep learning and natural language processing models. Versioning and auditing of training data. MongoDB allows easy version control of training data. It lets teams track changes over time. This is crucial for reproducibility in AI and ML experiments. It ensures that models can be retrained or improved using consistent data. Conclusion. In conclusion, as AI and machine learning projects grow, we need fast, scalable data storage. MongoDB can handle unstructured data and scale horizontally. It integrates with popular AI tools and supports real-time analytics. These features make it essential for many AI and ML projects. Using MongoDB, teams can meet AI models' growing data needs. It keeps performance and flexibility. MongoDB is key to AI and ML success.